Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is a reminder clip for the beginner class at the Kenn Centre on the 10th of January 2023. We did an arm jibe, step across, a catapult and a Wurlitzer. If you want teaching details for those moves, there are links in the description below to the teaching clips for each of the moves, and now we're going to show you how everything joined together. So it went 7 and 8. Off of the arm jibe, pull in left, right, to the shoulder, turn, face, return for the step across. We went underneath, prepped the catapult and went sweep, lean, to the side, spin and catch. 2 hands for the Wurlitzer. We went flat, prepare, a return spin and back. And that was it. That was the whole thing. Hope you find what we're doing useful. If you do, like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you know every time a new video comes out. The windows that come up in the last few seconds of the video, one of them will be a music recommendation or something nice to practice this routine to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.